Hi everyone, welcome back to another origami tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I will be doing a tessellation, and if you don't know what that is, that's basically just a repeating pattern. Today I'll be showing you how to make this zigzag tessellation that I made a while ago. I found this looking through some of my old origami, and believe me, there's a lot. And yeah, I found this cool pattern, which I kind of forgot about. And with that being said, here's how to fold it. Alright, so I'm just going to start with some good old-fashioned printer paper. This model is about a medium level complexity. It is quite long, and the reason for that is because we have to start out with a 16 by 16 grid. So first off, let's fold in half in this direction. Alright, now let's unfold and take this edge and fold it to the center crease. Alright, now let's turn over and let's take this edge and fold it up to this edge, but let the back flap swing out like that. And let's take this edge and fold it to here. And now let's turn over and repeat on this side. Alright, and then now if we fold in half, and then unfold, we have an 8 by 8 grid. Alright, so now we need to turn this into a 16 by 16 grid. So let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. And let's repeat that on these two mountain folds. And for the end, we're just going to take this edge and fold it to this crease. Alright, and now turn over and let's repeat. So take this edge, fold it to this edge. And repeat on these two. And then now let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. Alright, and now let's make a mountain fold along here, and a valley fold along here. And then you just want to zigzag the creases. So mountain fold, valley fold, and mountain fold. And then you should have kind of like a paper fan. Alright, now we want to rotate the paper and do all of that in the other direction. Alright, and now if we open it up, we should have, finally, our 16 by 16 grid. Alright, so now, let's first take, not this crease, but this crease, and we want to make a mountain fold, and then valley fold it in like this. And then we want to skip two more, and then take this mountain fold, and fold it over here. And then keep doing that. So skip two, should be a mountain fold, and then valley it this way. Then skip two again, and then mountain fold and valley fold towards you. And then two more, this is the last one, mountain fold and valley fold away from you. And we should have this. Alright, now let's take the bottom and let's valley fold it up. And then let's mountain fold the other one, and then just continue doing this, mountain valley, just like we did before, kind of like how you would make a paper fan. Alright, And then now we should have a base that looks like that. Alright, so now what you want to do is you take this very end one and open it up. Then you want to make this mountain fold in the middle. So it's before like this, then you want to pop it up like that, and then this should become a mountain fold, and then squash down like that. So now it's raised, and it should look like that on the inside. And then now you want to skip this one, and then go to this one, and just do the exact same thing. It should be a little easier. So what you do is open it up, and then behind I'm using my finger to push this flap inwards, like that. And then this again should become a mountain fold, and then squash down like that. Alright, and then do the same on this one and this one. And then now the top should look like this. And now we're going to do the same on the second row, but we're going to alternate it. So instead of starting with this one, let's start with this one. Let's just open it up again. Open that. Oh, I forgot. You have to do it on both sides. So open it up here, and then open it up here as well. And we want to mountain fold it in, then mountain, and then pleat that one in too. Then it should look like that. So because this is in the middle now, we have that little crimp on this side and that side. And repeat for this one, and this one. Alright, and now that's what the second layer should look like. So there's pleats on the top and on the bottom. And then for the final row, we're just going to repeat what we did up here. So let's pull the front one open and push out that little flap. Make this a mountain fold and fold down so it looks like that. And again, let's repeat on every other pleat. So this one, and that one. Alright, so that's what it should look like. Now, if you want, you can clean up the back side. I know mine looks a bit messy, but I think this is good for now. I hope you enjoyed making this, and in the meantime, have fun folding.